Alright, my dear ethical hackers, we saw in the previous video how we can perform port scanning. In this video, we will see how we can store all the details that we are getting. In the real world, of course, we are going to scan literally hundreds of devices. Are we seriously going to take a pen and paper and write all those down? No, we are not. We need to store all the things that we are scanning. And in this exercise, I'm going to show you how the penetration tester or how the hacker can store the output of the Nmap in a text file. So we'll be using the -on command, where O for output and N for notepad. That means in the text file format. Let's get on with that. Let's go to Kali, go to our terminal as we always go, and we'll just try the hands-on sudo nmap dash whatever you want to scan. This is going to be -ss, and we are going to scan the IP address of a taskbar table, and then you just say -on metascan.txt. That's the name that I'm giving to the file. -on is going to be creating an output in a node format, and the name of the file is metascan.txt. You can give it any name you like. Okay, this is just a name. Just press enter. In there, just like before, it has created the details and displayed on the screen, but at the same time, it has also created a copy, a permanent copy for us. Just type ls and press enter, and now you will see that it's created a file called metascan.txt. Let's see the content of the file. Just say nano metascan.txt. The nano command is used to open a file in a readable format. Just press enter. This is a text editor of Kali Linux. Press enter, and there you can see they're showing you all the details. Now the hacker or the penetration tester has a copy, a permanent copy. Control X to come out of this. Okay, what if the hacker wants to record everything? You know the command by now. So to record everything, the hacker would just type 192.168.1.1/24-o-a-sv, and would want to save that in one single place. So it will be -on, and let's call it fullscan.txt. That's it. Just press enter, and now the hacker is scanning the entire subnet, and all those details are going to be stored in fullscan.txt. Of course, this is going to take quite some time, so I'm stopping this, but that's how the hacker would do that in the real world. Or what if the hacker wants to perform a full port scan? Okay, we could show that also. So here, what you could do is you could just say -P1-65535, and this is going to perform the full port scan, and that you are going to save that -on and going to call it full port scan.txt. That's it. Press enter, and now all the details of all the ports, all the devices on the entire network are going to be stored in this file. Press Ctrl C. We don't really want to perform this test. It's going to take a long time. But in the real world, this is what the hackers would do. The hackers would come immediately, or the penetration would come immediately, and they would start their active scanning by using this command and by using this command. That's all we really need to get the things going, right? That's all for this video. See you in the next video.